Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So on today's video I will be giving my fridge a good deep cleaning. I noticed that my fridge had started getting a little bit of a funny smell, so I knew that it was time for me to get it cleaned out. So as you can see, this is what the refrigerator is looking like, and as y'all can see, I have some crumbs down at the bottom of the fridge. And once I get everything taken out, you will get a close-up of all the food and stuff that was inside the refrigerator. But first, we got to get everything taken out of the refrigerator. So if you need that motivation to get your fridge clean, you could put me on one of your devices and we can get it done together. And I also have a package that I got from Temu, which y'all will see later on in the video.
Yeah. Bestie, would you hate me if I asked if you to date me? If I wrote a letter where I told you how I'm feeling, would you want to meet me where I'm at to see if we could go much deeper, or could you never? Yeah, I know it's stupid to jeopardize it all, but it's a risk we're taking. Fucking crazy the way I'm thinking about you lately, 'cause I just wanna do you. You always got me rocking in a good mood. Fire in my engine. Can you feel the tension? Can you feel the tension? Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Everything taken out, I'm giving you guys a close-up of some of the stuff that's inside. Some of you can see, some of you can't, but it was nasty, you guys. I mean, it's not real bad, but it's nasty enough for me. But we're gonna go ahead and get it all cleaned out. And I can take this time right now to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Candace. I am a wife and a mother to 3 boys. My oldest son is Montrez. He's 18. My middle son is Devon. He's 14. And my baby boy, he's Ethan, and he's 9. And my husband, Jeff, we've been together for about 22 years, but we've been married for 10. I'm a medical assistant, but I'm currently not working at the time. But hopefully that will change soon or later, I hope. But on my channel, I do cleaning motivation, some decorating, some hauls, organization, and homemaking, and anything we do as moms and dads to keep our homes together. So if that's something you interested in, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up leave me a comment down below and let me know a little something about yourself. That way we can chat it up down in the comment section.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something new that's been further down the rabbit hole. Down I go, down I go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. In the past, worry about the present. How do I make it last? Oh, make it last. In the past, thinking about the future. Is it gonna be like that? 'Cause I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. If you lose and you're sad about it. Is it true you actually think of me as less than you? Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn and learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever.
And y'all, if y'all see me wibbling and wobbling my head and look like I'm singing, I was watching Dreamgirls. And if y'all know about Dreamgirls, y'all know you swear down you in Dreamgirls yourself, and swear down you can sing just like them. Just like that, my refrigerator is looking just about brand spanking new. I ain't gonna say it look brand new, but yeah, it looks a whole lot better than what it was. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and start getting everything put back inside the refrigerator. And on the side, I didn't do it on camera. I just started looking through to see if anything has expired or if it's something in there that we haven't been eating in a while and it's just been sitting in the refrigerator. I went ahead and got rid of all of that.
Rain 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive Hush Fame 그 Grammy 너를 take 매일 갖고 싶어 너만 생각하면 높이 날아 I heard that you've been just searching for someone when you need me right now It's now or never babe I just wanted you to see It's natural desire, 'cause you need me right now, now. With you, I can feel it in my body. With you, I can feel it in my mind. Do a leap extra, just tryna do more. Supernova with you, yeah. She knows I'm feeling do a leap extra. 나는 do it 언제나 do a leap extra, yeah. Do a leap extra. Tell me what you need right now. I just want that do a leap extra, do a leap extra. Tell me what you need right now. I just want that do a leap extra, do a leap extra. Don't tell me your last name. You make me go insane. 넌 또 가만히 놔두질 못해. I'm afraid you see 내 마음 깊이. Always running out of time. Yeah. Take it slow and make your mind up. I heard that you've been just searching for someone when you need me right now. It's now or never, babe. I just wanted you to see. It's natural desire, 'cause you need me right now, now. With you, I can feel it in my body. With you, I can feel it in my mind. Do a leap extra, just tryna do more. Supernova with you, yeah. She knows I'm feeling do a leap extra. 나는 do it 언제나 do a leap extra, yeah. Do a leap extra. Tell me what you need
bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now that we got the refrigerator all clean, this is what the before looked like if you don't remember. And then I will be showing you guys the after.
I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming.
So I just got through cleaning the refrigerator and I received a package from Temu. So I'm going to show you guys. Excuse me, y'all, I'm eating. I'm going to show you guys what I got. see if I can do this in one hand. Y'all, they just do some damages to your little package. Look at this. Package broke. I hope what I got in here isn't broke. But let me see if y'all can see it like this. But I got the little candle lamp thing where you put the candles down here without having to burn it. And I'm gonna get ready to take it out of the box so you guys can see it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my package. And I just want to show you guys this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. The package all tore up. I just don't know. Hopefully there ain't nothing in here broken. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want all this white stuff to get on the floor. I'm gonna have to end up vacuuming anyways. I got interrupted by a phone call from my mom. I talked to her for a little bit, but now I'm going to show you guys. This is it. Let me take it out the bag. Kind of big. I don't know what's going to be this big. But this is what it looks like. I got it in the color black, and it also came with the light bulb. Oh, yeah, I already got a light bulb already in it. So yeah, works out just fine. Good, I have a light bulb, so when I need it.
Darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to
for this lamp candle or candle lamp, whatever you want to call it, as y'all can see, it did get dim and it does get brighter. I guess that depends on how much of the scent you want to come from the candle. I'm not for sure, but I'm really impressed. But for the scent that I'm going to put under there, I'm going to use a candle that I got from Bath and Body Works that I already had, and I just want to go ahead and use it all up. But it's called the Eucalyptus Mint, and I'll be showing you guys that in a few. But I really like this scent. It smells pretty good. It's not too perfumey but it does give out enough scent that I like. But we'll be coming up to the end of this video. It's a really short and sweet video. So if you need that motivation to get your fridge clean, I hope that I gave you that motivation, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and leave me a comment down below. And I will see you guys the next video. Bye.